what's up? Welcome to day 18th of Inktober, and today's theme or topic is bottle. Well, before getting into the video, let me just apologize for the bad lighting and the shadows throughout the video, since it was the end of the golden hours thingy, and so you will understand as you see the video throughout. But apologies for that. And let's get back to today's topic, which is bottle. Well, of course, when I read bottle, the first thing I thought about is a wine bottle. And later on, I thought about bottled up feelings, which is basically people writing their feelings about like someone or something and putting, is that right English? I don't know. Anyway, so putting it inside the bottle and then throwing it into some water bodies in ocean or sea. And I don't know why do people do that, but it is done. You must have seen it in movies. So I thought about those two things, and then later on I thought about the mental awareness thingy. And yeah, I thought I should make that like something related to that. So here is a person opening up to the psychiatrist and talking about his feelings, and yeah, or to add some drama, the psychiatrist is kind of surprised stuff as soon as he opens up. So that is why the cartoon is this way. And yeah, to add more drama to it, I'm adding some color to his face, some color here and there, and that's it. I hope you guys liked it, and see you tomorrow. Bye guys.